Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to generate a global link in a PDF template and also understand the purpose of generating the global link. So first of all we'll create a PDF template. I'm uploading the required PDF from my system. So I'm going to upload the employee handbook. Then add on the relevant roles. So my first role is going to be team leader and the other role is going to be the team member and click confirm. So now we'll be redirected to our PDF. So here add on the relevant fields. After adding on the relevant fields, here you will be having an option called get invite link. So click on to that and all you have to do is just copy this link and send it to anyone whom you want this document to be signed. So let's just consider if you are the manager of your company and you want this particular document, which is the employee handbook in our case, and you want it to be signed by all the employees in your company. But it might be difficult for you to send it manually to each and every employee. So in such case, what you can do is you can just copy this link and send it to only the team leaders in your company and they'll be able to add the team members under them, which will make the work easier for the managers. So we'll test it out now. I'm copying this link. So we'll consider that I am the team leader and I'm filling out this for my team. And click next. So here I'll be filling the details of my team member and click start signing. So now the email notification would have been sent to the team member. And since I acted here as the team leader, I've been directly redirected to the signing page. So I'll just start signing automatically. And here you can see that my signature field is right here and I can place my signature and finish the signing process. Thank you. Thank you for watching.